Massive news for Pi network pioneers. The .pi domains auction is getting hotter than ever, and it just got a huge upgrade that changes everything. A brand new stats page just launched. Now you can see which .pi domains have the most bids, the highest prices, and the latest trending domain names. If you are bidding or just watching, this is a game changer. So in the Pi browser, you can see there is now the Pi domains, and this will take you to this site. So just to note that all auctions will expire on June 28. However, individual domain auctions will be extended if there are bids within the very last 24 hours. So in this app, you can see here the statistics of the Pi domains auction. Here we have the most bids. You can see there's Amazon, Tesla, Samsung, big brands, Toyota, Google, and Pi. And then here another section for the highest price. As you can see, Tesla tops the list. You have also Samsung, Amazon, and other like TripAdvisor.pi. And then the third one is the trending domains, newly created domains like newandtrain.pi, nextweb.pi, then we have also adidas.pi. Now, if you haven't created your own Pi domain, go to the search and then here, search for that domain. And this is for X, which is Twitter. And as you can see, there are people placing bids for this domain. If you would like to create your own, maybe in the future, you will own a business and going to use the Pi domains, just secure your Pi domain using this one. So, for example, my YouTube channel, I'm going to create the Pi domain, lifebeyondcode.pi. Let's search. So it's available and it's new. So I'm going to place a bid. So just a note that the minimal bid amount is 10 Pi, and just click the bid. Now I think I won't be able to place this one since I don't have enough balance in my Pi wallet. So if you haven't checked out the Pi auction yet, now is the time. The ecosystem is evolving fast, and those early domain names could become priceless digital real estate. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because this is only the beginning of Pi Network's Web3 revolution.